If you're busy and gaining weight, this 1 hour will fix your entire week. Work piling up, stress levels high, and junk food everywhere? That stops today. We're scrapping the "I don't have time" excuse with 5 Japanese lunches that torch belly fat and keep you satisfied all week. No more guessing or fast food decisions. I've crafted 5 simple, stunning recipes, maximum nutrition, minimal effort, and zero blandness. Invest 1 hour, and you'll have 5 incredible lunches ready to go, each engineered to banish cravings and fuel productivity. Let's dive in. Your new system starts now. No more excuses, just results. Let's kick things off with a meal that's high in protein, low in calories, and absolutely packed with bold, delicious flavor. If you're looking for a lunch that's both satisfying and energizing, you're in the right place. The teriyaki chicken cabbage bowl is your secret weapon for crushing hunger at work and staying on track with your goals, even on the busiest days. We start with juicy chicken breast, marinated in a homemade teriyaki sauce, none of that sugar-laden supermarket stuff. Making your own marinade means you control the ingredients and the flavor. Pile it high on a mountain of crisp, shredded cabbage. The cabbage isn't just filler, it's loaded with fiber, vitamins, and crunch that makes every bite satisfying. Slice your chicken thin for even cooking and maximum flavor in every bite. Thin slices soak up more marinade and cook quickly, keeping the chicken tender. The marinade is simple but powerful. Soy sauce, mirin, fresh ginger, garlic, and just a touch of honey for sweetness. These ingredients come together for that classic teriyaki taste, but lighter and fresher. Let the chicken sit and soak up all those flavors. Even 20 minutes makes a difference, but overnight is even better for maximum taste. While the chicken marinates, shred your cabbage and carrot for extra crunch and a pop of color. The carrot adds natural sweetness and makes the bowl even more vibrant. Sear the chicken in a hot pan until it's golden and juicy. The aroma will fill your kitchen and get your appetite going. Pour in the reserved marinade, letting it bubble and thicken into a sticky, glossy glaze that coats every piece of chicken. Watch it closely. This is where the magic happens. The sauce caramelizes, locking in flavor and giving the chicken that irresistible shine. Start with your cabbage base, layer on the juicy teriyaki chicken, drizzle with extra sauce, and sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds for a nutty finish. Add a handful of sliced scallions for an extra punch of freshness and color. You can even toss on some chili flakes if you like a little heat. This bowl keeps you full for hours. High in protein, loaded with fiber, and virtually zero empty calories. It's the kind of meal that powers you through your afternoon. Prep a big batch on Sunday, portion it into containers, and you're set for the entire week. No more scrambling for healthy lunches. Keep the sauce separate if you want it extra fresh, and just pour it on right before eating for that just-cooked taste. 5 lunches, done in one go. That's meal prep made easy and delicious. This is leagues above any sad desk salad. It's colorful, flavorful, and actually exciting to eat. The flavor's intense, the texture's spot on, and you won't be reaching for snacks an hour later. It's real food that keeps you satisfied. High protein, low calorie, and maximum satisfaction. This is the kind of meal that supports your goals and tastes amazing. That's what makes this bowl a fat-burning powerhouse. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating smart. Next time you eye the vending machine, remember this bowl's waiting in your fridge, ready to fuel your day the right way. No more boring lunches, just real results, real flavor, and real satisfaction. Make this your go-to meal, and watch your cravings disappear. You'll look forward to lunch every single day. Your co-workers will be jealous and your waistline will thank you. Eating healthy never looked or tasted this good. This is how you win the work lunch game, one delicious bowl at a time. Ready for the next one? Let's keep the healthy momentum going. Now, let's get serious about healthy fats and sustained energy with the Miso Salmon Power Box. This isn't just another meal prep, it's a powerhouse of nutrition, flavor, and convenience, designed to fuel your busiest days and keep you feeling your absolute best. Salmon is a superstar, packed with protein and omega-3s to keep your brain sharp and your body burning fat. These healthy fats are essential for heart health, joint support, and even glowing skin. Grab a fresh salmon fillet, wild if you can. Wild salmon has a richer flavor and more nutrients, making it the gold standard for this recipe. Marinate it in a miso glaze, white miso, soy, rice vinegar, and a touch of maple syrup. The miso brings umami depth, while the maple adds a subtle sweetness that balances everything out. Brush it on generously. Flavor is king. Let the marinade soak in for at least 20 minutes, or even overnight for maximum taste. While it soaks, prep your sides. Steamed broccoli for fiber, edamame for extra protein. These greens add crunch, color, and nutrients that round out your meal. Roast your salmon at high heat until flaking and caramelized. The sugars in the marinade will help create a gorgeous, golden crust. Let it rest before slicing. This keeps the juices locked in and the texture perfect. Pack your box. Brown rice or quinoa for slow-release carbs, salmon on top, broccoli and edamame tucked in. Each bite is balanced for energy and satisfaction. Scatter black sesame seeds and squeeze lemon over everything. The seeds add crunch and antioxidants, while lemon brightens up the flavors. Clean, fresh, and absolutely stunning. This is meal prep that looks as good as it tastes. This meal powers you through the afternoon. No sugar crashes, no brain fog. You'll feel steady, focused, and ready for anything. Healthy fats keep you satisfied. Protein repairs muscles. Veggies boost metabolism. Every component is chosen for a reason. Batch on Sunday, pack into airtight boxes, and enjoy fresh lunches all week. It's meal prep made simple, efficient, and delicious. Add a slice of lemon or dill to keep it fragrant. Fresh herbs elevate the aroma and make every bite pop. No one's complaining when your lunch looks and smells this good. You might even inspire your coworkers to level up their own lunches. This isn't just a lunch, it's a statement. It says you value your health, your time, and your taste buds. You care about your body, your energy, and your results. Every step is intentional. Every ingredient has a purpose. No compromise on flavor, ever. Healthy eating should always be delicious and deeply satisfying. Feel the difference by day 3. Lighter, sharper, more focused. Your body and mind will thank you for this upgrade. This is how you eat to perform. Whether you're at your desk or on the move, you're fueling for greatness. Ready for the next power lunch? Your fridge is stocked, your energy is high, and your goals are within reach. Time for something light but loaded with protein, the tofu egg protein bento. This is a meal that's as nourishing as it is beautiful, and it's perfect for anyone looking to eat clean without sacrificing flavor. Perfect for fat loss days when you want low calories but high satisfaction. It's a go-to option for busy weekdays, or when you need a meal that keeps you energized and focused. Start with firm tofu, press it well to remove excess water, then cube it up. Toss those cubes in a hot pan, with a splash of soy sauce, a crack of black pepper, and a drizzle of sesame oil for that nutty aroma. Sear until the edges are golden and crispy, locking in flavor and giving you that irresistible texture. Next, soft boil your eggs. 6 minutes is the sweet spot for jammy rich yolks that add creaminess to every bite. Slice the eggs in half and season generously with sea salt and a sprinkle of shichimi togarashi for a little heat and color. Add blanched green beans for crunch, pickled ginger for zing, and cherry tomatoes for a burst of freshness and color. In your bento box, layer the tofu first, then nestle in the eggs, and finally tuck in your veggies for a balanced, eye-catching meal. Drizzle with a bit more soy sauce or ponzu for brightness and umami. Finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and nori strips if you're feeling fancy, adding crunch and a touch of the sea. The portion size is key. Enough to fill you up, but light enough to keep your energy high and your mind sharp all afternoon. No food coma, no cravings, just clean, lean fuel that keeps you going strong. Prep all the components ahead of time, and you can build your boxes in just minutes, making healthy eating totally effortless. These bento boxes keep beautifully in the fridge for several days, so you're always ready for a quick, nutritious meal. This bento proves you don't need meat to hit your protein goals. Plant-based power at its finest. Light, satisfying, and helps you shred fat without ever feeling deprived or bored. Simple ingredients, bold flavors, and absolutely zero nonsense. Just real food that works for you. Keep fat loss easy and delicious with meals that you'll actually look forward to eating. Try it once, you'll be hooked, and your body will thank you. This is plant-based power, Japanese style. Simple, effective, and totally satisfying. Next up, noodles done right, the Japanese way. For noodle lovers, chicken soba lean bowl. Balance, Japanese style. Carbs, protein, and fiber, all in one bowl. Start with buckwheat soba noodles, quick cooking, nutty, and full of fiber. Rinse under cold water to keep them springy. Sauté lean chicken breast with soy, ginger, and garlic, just until juicy. Whisk a dressing, rice vinegar, soy, honey, and chili oil. Prep veggies, cucumber, carrot, baby spinach, fresh and crunchy. In your bowl, soba first, then chicken and veggies. Drizzle with dressing, sprinkle, sesame seeds, and scallion. Enough carbs to keep you focused, not so many you crash. Protein keeps you full, veggies add bulk without extra calories. Batch cook and keep dressing on the side until ready to eat. Light, energizing, and ready for anything your work throws at you. One bite, and you'll never look at a sad sandwich again. This is lunch, upgraded, ready for the final bowl. Let's bring it home with the simplest, fastest, and most effective, the Tuna Rice Control Bowl. Your emergency lunch for the craziest days. Minimal prep, maximum results. Start with high-quality tuna and water. Drain, mix with low-fat mayo, soy sauce, and lemon. Spoon onto a bed of short-grain Japanese rice. Use half the usual portion if cutting calories. Top with cucumber, radish, and furikake for umami. Add sriracha or wasabi for a kick. Whip it up in 5 minutes flat. Keeps you full for hours. No bloat. Swap in brown rice or quinoa. Add avocado or spinach. Make it yours. Lean protein, smart carbs, and loads of flavor. Tuna helps you hang on to muscle while burning fat. Rice fuels your brain without a carb coma. Batch it, or make it fresh. Perfect fallback for busy weeks. No excuses, just results. Fast track to fat loss. Simple, satisfying, foolproof. Keep this bowl in your arsenal. Ready to change your routine? If your routine is making you gain weight, change the system. Don't let another week slip by stuck in the same cycle of fast food and regret. 1 hour of prep gives you 5 days of lunches that work for you, not against you. You deserve better than limp sandwiches and sad salads. Start with 1 hour. Stay consistent. Let results follow. These Japanese-inspired lunches aren't just quick fixes, they're a lifestyle change. Lose belly fat, feel energized, and stay on track no matter how busy you get. Subscribe to SlimSync for more Japanese weight loss meal systems. You're not just changing your lunch, you're changing your life, one meal at a time. Start today.